Hi Shane, I'm Ellie, and it's really late, so that's why I'm whispering. It's like, well, really early actually, but I can't sleep, and I've been watching your videos, and it's like 3:34 in the morning, and I have school tomorrow. But okay, so this is a video response clearly to the temperature in my pee hole one. And it's not really about my second grade that I want to talk about, but it's about the whole when you go to the nurse and she's all like, oh, I don't really think you're sick. It's like, yeah. The other day, I'm in 11th grade. The other day, didn't feel good, but we had PSAT, so I wanted to go and get that over with, and then I was like, alright, I'll just tough it out through the test, and then I'll go home. And I feel like I was gonna fucking upchuck the whole time. But then after I tried going to my composition class and thought I could tough it out for the rest of the day, but then I was like, no, fuck that, because I thought I was gonna puke all over everywhere in front of everyone, and I really don't want to do that in front of everyone. So I asked to go to the bathroom to see maybe if I would feel better if I went, and I threw up. So I came back and I asked to go to the nurse, and she was like, yep, you can go to the nurse. And she called down and see if they could take me, and I said yes, and I went there and I signed in and all that jazz. And Nurse Pam, she's real bitch, okay? There's two nurses in my school, in the office, and one of them was like, Pam was all like, yo, you've been out a lot, sick, and this is about something else, isn't it? I was like, no, bitch, it's really not. I just fucking threw up. And then she was all like, oh, well, you know, you're getting a little teary-eyed, and I felt so sick. Like, that's why I was like starting to cry because of it. And she's like, well, this is about something else, you're getting a little teary-eyed. It's like, no, it's not about anything else. I'm not getting teary-eyed because it's about something else. If I wanted to leave because of other reasons, I'd be like, hey, guess what, I'm going home, fuck you. But she was like, oh, well, you've been out a lot. And I'm like, yeah, well, I'm sick. I threw up. She's like, oh, next time, just keep your puke in the toilet so we can look at it. I was like, really? You want to examine my puke? That's how much you don't believe me. Really? You fucking skank. Like, seriously, I'm gonna fucking bite your face off in a minute. And I was so pissed. And then she was like, well, you need to tell your teacher where you are next time. And I was like, oh, she knows. I asked her if I could come. She was like, oh, okay. And then she was all like, she said it like 5 times, your teacher needs to know where you are, you can't just leave. I was like, I told her where I was. I went to the bathroom, came back, asked her to go, okay? Okay. And she was like, oh. I was like, yeah, oh, I told you that like 5 times. And then she was like, well, Ellie. I was like, 12. She's like, well, we have to call your grandma. I was like, I already called her. Oh, well, then you're all set to go. Why are you still here? Because you're giving me the runaround, bitch. And they're all like, well, it's all in your head because you're depressed. I was like, yeah, okay, next time I won't go to the bathroom. Next time, I'll fucking go, and I'll puke all over your desk. Then it won't just be in my head, it'll be all over your fucking classroom, bitch. Yeah, that was my experience with that. So, it's probably boring you, but, you know, I love you, Shane.